everyone, welcome back to Podcast Bites by India Law LLP. My name is Mudra Sachin Bhaise. Today I will be speaking about title search of property in India, its meaning, importance and process involved. In India, property's ownership is one of the most disputed areas of law. Many cases relating to ownership and possessions are still pending in courts. A fundamental rule of property law is that a seller cannot transfer a better title than he himself has. This makes it extremely important to verify whether a property you are buying actually has clear and marketable title. This verification process is called title search. What is title search? A title search is a legal process to verify the ownership and legal status of a property. It involves checking records from different government authorities like sub-registrar office, revenue department, municipal authorities. The aim is to ensure that the property truly belongs to seller, has no legal dispute, is free from loans and liabilities. In simple words, it is a background check of the property before purchase. Importance of a title search. There is a very important title search which are elaborated. First, ownership rights. It confirms that the seller is the true and a lawful owner of the property and has the legal authority to transfer it. Ensures that there are no competing claims. Then, encumbrance. It reveals whether the property is burdened with the financial liabilities like loans, mortgages, liens, or unpaid tax that may affect the buyer's ownership. Litigation status. It helps to identify if the property is the subject to any ongoing or past legal disputes, which could delay or invalidate the transaction. The restrictions on use. It ensures that there are no legal or regulatory limitations and how the property can be used, such as zoning laws or government restrictions. Without a proper due diligence, a buyer may be up in a legal dispute or financial losses. So, a title search ensures a security, clarity, and informed decision making. Essential aspects of a title search. Now, let's look into the key aspects of the check during a title search. First, ownership document. First step is to check how a seller acquired the property. It may be through sale deed, gift deed, or inheritance. It is important to verify that these documents are properly executed and registered. The stamp duty is paid. Second, searches and sub-registrar office. All property transactions must be registered, so past records ideally for 30 years are checked to ensure the continuous chain of ownership. A registered sale deed is considered strong proof of ownership. Third, mutation records, mutation entries reflect the change of ownership in government records. However, they are not proof of ownership, but they help confirm that records are updated correctly. Fourth, encumbrance check. This step ensures that the property is free from loans, mortgage, legal liabilities, unpaid taxes. An encumbrance certificate is obtained to confirm this. Fifth, land use classification. The nature of land is verified, such as agriculture, residential, commercial. This ensures that the land is being used legally and appropriately. Sixth, approval and compliances. For constructed properties, it is very important to verify building plan, approval of completion certificate, occupation certificate. Also, compliance with laws like Real Estate Regulation and Development Act 2016 must be checked. The very important process of a title search involves collecting property details such as address and ownership information, applying to government authorities for record. Obtaining documents like title deed, encumbrance certificates, mutation records, verifying litigation status through legal search is very important. To conclude, a title search is a crucial step before purchasing any property in India. It helps to ensure that the title is clear, marketable, and free from disputes or liabilities. Given the high financial stakes of long legal process involves property disputes, conducting proper due diligence is not just advisable, but it is essential. Even if defects are found, knowing them in advance allows a buyer to negotiate better and avoidable future risk. Thank you for listening to the podcast Bites powered by India Law LLP. Until next time, stay informed, stay compliant.